Welcome to our journey through Indonesia's most beautiful animals. Here, across an archipelago of over 17,000 islands, life has diversified into an astonishing array of forms. My name is Jeff, and I invite you to join me as we explore this crucible of evolution, a land where ancient forests meet vibrant seas, and creatures both magnificent and mysterious roam. We shall venture deep into these emerald realms, seeking out the unique inhabitants that make this corner of our planet so utterly captivating. It's a world teeming with biodiversity, a testament to the sheer power and artistry of nature, from the lush rainforests echoing with the calls of unseen life to the vibrant coral reefs pulsating with a kaleidoscope of marine creatures. Indonesia is home to some of the most stunning wildlife on the planet. Each island, each habitat presents a new chapter in this grand story of survival and adaptation. We will witness giants that walk the earth, elusive primates that swing through the canopy, and birds adorned with colors so vivid they defy belief. This is not merely a showcase of beauty, but an exploration of the intricate connections that bind these animals to their extraordinary environments. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer variety and splendor of Indonesia's fauna. We'll look into the lives of creatures that have adapted in remarkable ways, carving out their existence in these diverse landscapes. This is a land of contrasts, of delicate beauty and raw power, where every encounter offers a glimpse into the wild heart of our world. So let us embark on this expedition together to discover, to understand, and to marvel at the natural treasures that Indonesia so generously holds. The adventure begins now. Our first encounter takes us to the stark volcanic islands of Komodo, Rinca, Flores, and Gili Motang. Here, under the blazing Indonesian sun, lives a true titan, a creature that seems to have walked straight out of a bygone era, the Komodo dragon. As the largest living lizard on Earth, these magnificent reptiles command their domain with an air of ancient authority. Reaching lengths of up to 10 feet and weighing as much as a fully grown human, their sheer presence is awe-inspiring. Their skin, a mosaic of tough, armored scales, ranges in color from dull gray to a surprisingly vibrant, almost rusty hue, providing excellent camouflage against the dry savanna and sparse woodland they call home. The Komodo dragon is an apex predator, and its hunting prowess is legendary, built upon a formidable combination of strength, stealth, and a remarkably potent biological weapon. It's not just their impressive size that makes them such effective hunters. Their bite, once thought to rely solely on bacteria, is now known to deliver venom, a complex cocktail of proteins that induces shock, lowers blood pressure, and prevents blood clotting in their prey. They are patient hunters, often lying in ambush along game trails, waiting for unsuspecting deer, water buffalo, or wild pigs. A single well-placed bite is often enough, after which the dragon may patiently track its weakening victim for hours or even days, using its incredible sense of smell. Observing a Komodo dragon in its natural habitat is a profound experience, a glimpse into a world where survival is a daily drama. Their powerful legs carry their heavy bodies with surprising agility, their long, muscular tails acting as a counterbalance. The forked yellow tongue flicks constantly, tasting the air, gathering information about its surroundings and potential meals. These are not just simple reptiles, they are complex animals, with social hierarchies and even, some scientists believe, a capacity for play. Their continued existence is a precious link to the deep past, a reminder of the incredible diversity that evolution can produce when left to its own devices in these isolated island realms. We now journey into the dense emerald rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra, the exclusive domain of one of humanity's closest living relatives, the orangutan. The name itself, derived from the Malay words orang hutan, means person of the forest, a fitting title for these highly intelligent and remarkably arboreal primates. With their long, powerful arms, sometimes spanning over 7 feet, and shaggy reddish-brown fur, they are perfectly adapted for a life spent almost entirely amongst the high branches. Here they navigate their verdant world with a slow, deliberate grace, moving hand over hand, their strong fingers and toes gripping securely as they traverse the canopy in search of fruit, leaves, and insects. The orangutan's world is a complex, three-dimensional labyrinth of trees, vines, and epiphytes. They are masters of this environment, demonstrating profound knowledge of their surroundings. They meticulously select ripe fruits, playing a crucial role as seed dispersers, effectively acting as gardeners of the forest, helping to maintain its diversity and health. One of the most fascinating aspects of orangutan behavior is their remarkable intelligence and capacity for learning, particularly their use of tools. They have been observed using leaves as makeshift umbrellas during downpours or as sponges to drink water from tree hollows. Sticks are employed to extract insects from crevices or to test the ripeness of spiky fruit, skills often passed down from mother to offspring. Sadly, these gentle giants face an uncertain future. Their rainforest home is shrinking at an alarming rate due to deforestation for agriculture, particularly palm oil plantations, as well as logging and mining. This habitat loss, combined with the illegal pet trade, has pushed both Bornean and Sumatran orangutans to the brink of extinction, classifying them as critically endangered. Observing a mother orangutan carefully tending to her young, teaching it the intricate skills needed for survival in the canopy, is a poignant reminder of what we stand to lose. Their intelligence, their gentle nature, and their vital role in the ecosystem make their protection an urgent priority for all of us. Chapter 3. The Javan Rhino, a desperate fight for survival. Our journey now takes us to a place of critical importance, Ujung Kulon National Park, on the westernmost tip of Java. This is the last remaining sanctuary for one of the world's rarest large mammals, the Javan rhinoceros. With its distinctive single horn, typically smaller in females or even absent, and skin that hangs in armor-like folds, the Javan rhino is a truly unique and ancient creature. Once widespread across Southeast Asia and Indonesia, its numbers have been decimated, primarily due to relentless poaching for its horn, which is erroneously believed to possess medicinal properties in some cultures, and the relentless encroachment of human activity leading to severe habitat loss. Today, the entire global population of Javan rhinos clings to existence within this single national park, a small, isolated pocket of hope. Estimates suggest fewer than 80 individuals remain, making every single birth, every single survivor absolutely crucial for the species' future. These are solitary creatures, preferring dense, lowland rainforests, wallowing in mud baths to cool down and protect their skin from insects. Their diet consists of a variety of young shoots, twigs, leaves, and fallen fruit, and they play an important role in shaping the vegetation structure of their forest home. Their shy and elusive nature makes them incredibly difficult to study, adding to the challenge of their conservation. The fight to save the Javan rhino is a monumental undertaking, a race against time. Conservation efforts are intensely focused on protecting their existing habitat in Ujung Kulon, with dedicated rhino protection units patrolling tirelessly to prevent poaching incursions. Scientists and conservationists are also exploring the possibility of establishing a second viable population in a new secure location to mitigate the risks of disease or natural disaster wiping out the entire species in one fell swoop. The plight of the Javan rhino is a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the profound impact human actions can have on the natural world. Its survival hangs precariously in the balance, a testament to both its resilience and its vulnerability. Chapter 4. Birds of Paradise, Dazzling Dancers of the Forest Realm. We now venture into the remote, mist-shrouded forests of New Guinea and its surrounding islands, including parts of Indonesia's West Papua region. Here we encounter some of the most spectacularly beautiful and bizarre avian creatures on Earth, the birds of paradise. There are around 40 known species, each a masterpiece of evolutionary artistry, renowned for the breathtaking plumage of the males and their extraordinarily elaborate courtship displays. These birds are not just colourful, they are iridescent, shimmering with hues that seem to change with every movement, from deepest velvet black to electric blues, vibrant emeralds and fiery crimsons. The males have evolved these stunning adornments, elongated plumes, intricate wires, capes and fans for one primary purpose, to attract a mate. And their efforts are nothing short of theatrical. Each species has its own unique and complex courtship dance, a meticulously choreographed performance often taking place on a specially prepared display perch or lek. The male might clear a patch of forest floor or choose a specific branch which becomes his stage. He will then call to attract females, and upon their arrival launch into a mesmerizing routine of bows, leaps, shakes, and contortions, all designed to showcase his vibrant colors and unique ornaments to their best advantage. One truly fascinating fact about many birds of paradise is the sheer extremity of their sexual selection. The females are typically drab in comparison, their muted colors providing camouflage while they nest and raise their young. They are incredibly discerning, and only the males with the most impressive displays and perfect plumage will be chosen to pass on their genes. This intense female choice has driven the evolution of some of the most outlandish and beautiful features in the entire animal kingdom. Witnessing these displays is like watching a living kaleidoscope, a vibrant testament to the power of natural selection in shaping life into forms of almost unbelievable beauty and complexity in these isolated island ecosystems. Chapter 5, the Bali starling, a jewel of avian elegance on the brink. Our final focus brings us to the island of Bali, a place renowned for its cultural richness and stunning landscapes. But nestled within this paradise is a bird of exquisite and delicate beauty, a true jewel among Indonesia's avifauna, the Bali starling, or jalak Bali as it's known locally. This stunning creature is almost entirely pure, snow-white, save for black tips on its wings and tail, and a striking featherless blue mask of skin around its eyes, giving it an almost ethereal appearance. A graceful crest of feathers adorns its head, adding to its regal, elegant demeanor. It is, without a doubt, a must-see for any visitor with an appreciation for avian wonders. The Bali starling is endemic to this single island, historically found in the monsoon forests and acacia savannas of Bali's northwest. Its beauty, however, has tragically been its downfall, highly sought after for the illegal cage bird trade due to its striking appearance and melodious song. The wild population plummeted dramatically throughout the 20th century. Combined with habitat loss as Bali's human population grew and land was converted for agriculture and development, the Bali starling was pushed to the very edge of extinction. At one point, it was estimated that fewer than a dozen individuals remained in the wild, making it one of the rarest birds on Earth. The story of the Bali starling, however, is also one of hope and dedicated conservation. Intensive efforts involving captive breeding programs across the globe and stringent protection in its native habitat, primarily within the West Bali National Park, have been underway for decades. Reintroduction programs have seen these beautiful birds released back into protected areas, and community engagement initiatives aim to foster local pride and stewardship for this iconic species. While the fight is far from over and the Bali starling remains critically endangered, these efforts offer a glimmer of hope that this dazzling white bird, with its piercing blue gaze, will continue to grace the skies of Bali for generations to come, a symbol of both fragility and the power of human commitment to conservation. Outro reflections on a realm of wonder, Indonesia's enduring natural heritage. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Indonesia's most beautiful animals. From the ancient Komodo dragon to the ethereal Bali starling, we have witnessed but a fraction of the immense biodiversity that this archipelago cradles. Each creature, in its own unique way, contributes to the rich tapestry of life that makes Indonesia such a vital region for global conservation. The intelligence of the orangutan, the tenacity of the Javan rhino, and the sheer spectacle of the birds of paradise all speak to the wonders of evolution and the preciousness of these natural legacies. The beauty we have explored today is not merely for our admiration. It is a vital part of complex ecosystems that support countless other species, and ultimately ourselves. The challenges these animals face, habitat loss, poaching, climate change, are significant, but so too is the growing awareness and dedication of those working tirelessly to protect them. It is my hope that by sharing these stories, we can all foster a deeper appreciation for the natural world and the urgent need to conserve it. The future of these magnificent creatures and so many others truly lies in our hands. As our exploration of Indonesia's wildlife concludes for now, the images of these remarkable animals will surely linger. Their struggles and their splendor serve as a powerful reminder of the beauty and fragility of life on our planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. By staying connected and informed, we can all play a part in ensuring that these wonders endure for future generations to marvel at. Until our next adventure, farewell.